In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete memory in ChatGPT. The memory feature helps ChatGPT remember small, helpful details so your conversations feel more tailored to you. That might include preferences you've shared or recurring projects you talk about. If something is outdated, too specific, or you simply don't want it saved anymore, you can remove it in just a few clicks. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile icon there to open a small menu. From this menu, choose Personalization. This page is where you control how ChatGPT adapts to you, and it's also where the memory settings live. Next, find the section labeled Memory and click Manage. This opens a focused view that lists the memories currently stored for your account. Think of it like a simple dashboard. Each item represents a single piece of information the system can use to personalize replies. Now, scroll through the list and locate the specific memory you'd like to delete. When your cursor hovers over that item, a three-dot icon appears to the right. Move your pointer over the entry, click that three-dot icon to reveal quick actions, and then hit Delete. The item will disappear from the list, which means it's no longer used to personalize future conversations. You can repeat that same process for any other items you no longer want saved. Deleting a memory only removes that chosen detail. It doesn't erase entire chat histories or affect unrelated settings. It's a precise way to tidy up what ChatGPT remembers about you while keeping the rest of your experience intact. For peace of mind, remember that you're in control of this at any time. It's a good habit to review the list every so often, especially after big changes to your projects or preferences. Keeping only what's current helps ChatGPT respond with the right context and avoids stale suggestions. A couple of quick notes for clarity. If you're not seeing the memory section or the manage button, it may be because the feature isn't available for your account yet, or it might require an update. Also, be thoughtful about what you remove. The goal is to keep helpful context while clearing anything you don't want stored. And that's all there is to it. Profile, personalization, memory, manage, hover, three dots, delete. With those steps, you stay in control of what's remembered and keep your workspace clean and relevant. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.